Morning traders, Nick Massander, Market Dealers here to bring you a daily market bias video for Thursday, March 17th, and it is approximately 6 a.m. Happy St. Pat's Day for those of you who are Irish. We'll take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia traded mainly higher with the exception of the Japanese Nikkei exchange, which traded down somewhat. Currently right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, Europe is open trading. Europe is trading mainly lower with the exception of the London FTSE exchange, which is trading fractionally higher. If we were to take a look at market correlation as it stands, currencies in terms of the US dollar, it's trading lower. It's been trading lower pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is trading higher. Isn't trading higher pretty much all morning long. There is correlation between the US dollar and crude as this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds are trading higher, much higher in fact. And the indices themselves in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, this has just changed because it was up until a few minutes ago, it was trading in the positive territory. That has now changed whereby the S&P is now down fractionally, and it looks as though the NASDAQ is also down fractionally, and Dow Jones Industrial Average is hovering right now between positive and negative territory. This has definitely changed because all three of these indices up until a little while ago were trading higher. Metals in terms of gold is trading higher, much higher in fact, and it would appear as though there is a fear factor involved in the markets today. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we do have quite a bit, particularly after an FOMC meeting. At 8:30, we have Philly Fed Manufacturing Index unemployment claims, both of which are major, both of which are proven market movers. And we also have at 8:30 current account. At 10 a.m. we have JOLTS jobs opening. This is definitely a major report and a market mover. And then we have Conference Board leading index. 10:30 we have natural gas storage. All this being said, our bias is neutral. We will maintain a neutral bias from yesterday, and the reason for that is, again, up until a while ago, the markets were not, I'm going to say, behaving with any sense of normalcy. What we were seeing is we saw gold trading higher, much higher. We saw that bonds were trading much higher, which they are, and we saw indices that were pointing that were in a positive or pointing in a positive direction, which is not normal, not usual, customary. So we will maintain a neutral bias, probably leaning more towards the downside, if you will, on the indices. But again, time will tell. But it looks as though it's, we're going to maintain a neutral bias because basically anything can happen in this market. Could this change? Absolutely. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.